What's up, guys? Caden, the bearded Samsung Pro, and today I'm super excited. We're going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Buds, Galaxy Buds. They just came in the mail today. I'm super excited for these, man. We're going to open these up and see how they look, how easy they are to connect, and then I'll be doing a full review on them in a later video. So, without waiting, let's get to it. Okay, so as we get started, you can see the box here. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I'm not unhappy about that, and you'll see why here shortly. So I've already cut the tape so we can open this right up. There it is, pretty simplistic design. Here's the case for the Buds with them inside. Like I said, a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. In the front here, or the top, we've got a pamphlet. If we open this up, got all the fun literature, the quick start guide, and then of course the legalese stuff. Nothing important there. As a matter of fact, you guys will see that the quick start on this is so simplistic. It doesn't take much at all to get these things up and running. All right, that off to the side. Here, before we get to the good stuff, we've got the case with all the extras. So if we open this up, we've got the charging cable. This does charge on a USB-C charger, or you can actually wirelessly charge these too, which if you have an S10 or a Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, you can do right from your phone, which is pretty sweet. So you might not even need this. And then one of the other things I really like about this is how many different earpiece options they have here. I'm going to be messing around with these to make sure we get I get the right ones for my ears, but they have 3 extra ear outside pieces in addition to the one that comes with it. And then, two extra, because there's one for each side, and then 2 extra. So 3 total of each thing to be able to see. Now, as we grab the star of the show today, the actual Buds themselves, move everything else off. This is what we're all really excited about, right? Just slides off there. And what's cool, before I bring these over, well, let's go ahead and let's open these up. Now, this is a magnetic clasp on these, so very nice shut. It's super easy to shut. Oh, you can see. So these are the Aura Glow color, which is pretty sweet. I don't have an Aura Glow phone, as you guys know, but this goes really nice with them nonetheless. And as you pick these up here, you can see the different sensors in here. This one actually is to tell whether or not it's in your ear or not, and then the other 2 are charging ports, which is pretty sweet. So those are gorgeous. So again, the overall feel is awesome. They're small enough that you can fit into a pants pocket with no problem. You're not even going to know they're there. But they're small enough that once I get into the full review, I'll show you how nicely they fit in the ears and how the sound quality is. We'll talk about that and everything. But pretty impressed with the overall unboxing. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how easy it is to get these synced up with your phone, especially if you have a Samsung phone. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here I've got my Samsung phone. I've got the Galaxy Buds. All we're going to do is open this up. Watch this. Boom. Instantly, they're wanting to connect. We hit that little connect button, brings us into the Galaxy wearable apps. Now, I already had this app on my phone. You might have to install it, but you can see they instantly connected. They're going to be able to give me the power level in each one. As they sit in here, these themselves, by themselves, have a 6-hour charge. Once they're inserted back in here, the case holds a 7-hour charge. So you can essentially get 2 full charges out of a day, which, I mean, really it's not as good as some of the other ones out there, but at the same time, you're talking about 13 hours of playtime. That's pretty good for most people. If you just charge these at night, throw them on a wireless charger, plug them in, whatever works for you, you're going to be just fine. They've also got some little tips in here. that you can take a look at. How to use the touchpad. You can play or pause the track. Double tap it to either play the next track or answer and a call. And then triple tap will play the previous track. And then touch and hold. This is kind of cool. This is the one that you can actually change. But what's cool about this is it's set up right now to use Google Assistant. So if you want to hold that down, you'll be able to use Google Assistant. There's an ambient sound sensor in there too. I did turn this on. It's interesting. I'm not going to say it works well, but it's kind of cool. So we'll play more around with that when we actually get to the full review. There's some other tips in there, how to charge it with your phone, battery level, what it means and everything. We can see right here, this is the LED light for the case charger. I don't know how to test that right offhand, or if it shows me when I open it maybe. It's not giving me anything right now. So my case is probably dead though. That's most likely what it is. You got some other stuff, notifications, the touchpad, you can adjust some different things there, the ambient sound again. Find My Earbuds is pretty cool. It'll actually ring the earbuds. So if we've got one of these sitting out here, let's go ahead, see if we can find the right, and we'll hit start. So it's really quiet. It's a bird chirping. I don't even know if you can hear it. But there is a bird chirping there. I'd like to see if we can change that at some point. It's pretty quiet. But there you guys go. We've got the Galaxy Buds here. We're going to do a full review here soon, but I at least wanted to give you a picture of them and let you guys see, and looking forward to doing the full review on these. If you got any questions that you'd like to see answered in the review, go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tap that notification bell so you get a notification each time that I'm going to be posting a new video. And look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.